Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Ask Amity Show. My name is Edmund. I'm here with my two partners, Jennifer and Cindy. We're the attorneys here at Amity Law Group in Rosemead, California. We wanted to make this video today about the topic of how your estate plan can improve your relationship with your kids. This topic came up when someone left us a comment on one of our blog articles. And this person wanted to make sure that her kids still would be taking care of her after she's creating her living trust and basically giving them everything. And she just wanted to make sure, how can she encourage her kids to still care for her, even though they know that they're going to receive everything upon her passing. And so I know this topic is very important for families, especially parents who want to maintain a good relationship with their kids and, of course, take care of them and allow them to inherit their assets once they pass away. So that's the topic of this conversation today. And Jennifer, do you want to start us off?
Sure. So I think the important thing is really having an open line of communication. I think a lot of times maybe this topic is not necessarily something we like discussing, about inheritance, about death, but it's important to just start the conversation. Anytime that you have any worry, it actually stresses you out more when you're just thinking about it. But, once you start the conversation, you might realize, hey, it's actually not that bad. Talking to your family about your wishes, talking to your children about what do they want in life, what can you do to make sure that you can help them along that road, and it could be something that they'll find during this conversation. You can explore the topic with them and basically talk to each other and then discuss these things. And it's important that once you get this information out there, there's a understanding between your children and yourself. It's not only just about who gets what, but it's about the values that you're going to leave behind and kind of the legacy that you want them to take away from what you have provided for them. So I think starting the conversation, finding out what your children want, and then just continue that open line of communication.
Yeah, it's also really important that you understand how the inheritance is going to help your children. And if they can see how it's going to help them, then it gives them more incentive to stay a part of the plan. The estate plan, your plans, and your life and how you plan to live out your life in order to leave the inheritance, so that it'll help them. Another thing to consider is planning your estate together. You can have the conversation, but also involve them. Have them come to the consultation with you, with the attorneys. Have them meet us while we talk to you. Let them serve as the roles in there are different roles in the estate plan. So they can be a trustee or your power of attorney or your healthcare agent. And when they are when they've been assigned a role or given a role, then it gives them more weight and more stake in understanding the estate plan. Not just to know that they're going to receive something from it, but also to understand how it works. And once they understand how it works, then again, they just have more of a stake in it and will want to be a part of it, have incentive to be a part of it more.
Yeah, that's a good point, Cindy. And to facilitate that for our clients, we offer a free, what we call a free family care meeting for all of our clients. So once we set up your estate plan, you have the option to invite your children into the office, where we provide you with a safe environment for you and your children to discuss your estate plan. and we would answer any questions or concerns that they might have. And so this opens up the dialogue and opens up the communication between you and your family in a neutral place. You might not feel comfortable doing it at your house, their house, or on the phone. And so we provide this nurturing and safe environment for all of you to make sure that you're on the same page. So when you become a client of ours, we provide you with this safe environment for the family care meeting. If you want to know more about this, we invite you to schedule a free consultation with us. We'll talk to you about these details. Every family is different. We have different relationships with our kids. And so we'll talk about these more emotional issues and craft an estate plan that is based on your family's needs, your needs, and make sure that it's aligned with your values and principles. All right, that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions, please comment below and we'll do our best to answer them. We'll see you next time.